y'all, today be the same thing in my last video, man. Right now I'm getting gas. I got my homie Sean behind me, then his older brother and Jay are about to pull up. Well, they're damn near behind me as well, but they got stuck at the light underneath the bridge. So yeah, that's that. I'm finna get gas, some E85. We're all on E except for Vontae, the gray scat Challenger. But I'm gonna record them pulling up. Fuck it. That's Sean. This is the whip. I did get pulled over last time, but it's okay though. I just got me tires today too. Well, the front tires. I need to get a paint job or this car wrapped. Got the Beamer right here. 540i, B58. Vontae right there. Jay right there. Niggas. Niggas about to hit me in that Porsche, but that nigga hit me. But yeah, I'm finna get gas. These niggas, I think one of them is recording. But I'm finna get gas. Only put 30. Hopefully this shit stays. Where Vontae at? I should have stole the scat. Hey, I need a scat pack. Oh, foot nigga. Damn, I'm in a charger today. But after this, we finna go to Corona and I don't take pictures. Do whatever. Is that what Yerms has? Yeah. Right? Now they got a once or runners on. Yeah, in the comments, which one you think's faster? Oh, that's crazy that I said that and started it. Look, y'all, I'm finna drive this nigga's car because he wants to record his own car and he wants a certain way. So we're gonna... Damn, nigga, shut up! This nigga parked all the way back there like a fucking dummy. So y'all, I'm about to go to a car meet. Right now it's currently 7:43. I'm about to go to a car meet. I'm about to go meet a couple of my homies at Blaine car wash, and we're finna just get straight to it. I'm not gonna record me driving because no point. It's dark outside. It's not that dark right here, but my tent makes it pitch black. So what the hell? You see them? Hell no, nigga. What the fuck is that? Y'all better go somewhere else. Hell no, let me go get a car. We got Rome right here. My nigga Jose. From earlier. Then there's Hondas and shit from his homie Jose Hondas and shit.
Yeah. Cool, engine bay. Like new pump. Shit was fucking filled with coolant.
New water pump.
Shit ashy though.
You know what I did on my Charger? I just painted it black myself. It comes out good too.
I was just doing sticker bomb this. That'd be fun.
Like you did that?
Yeah.
When you gonna take these shits off?
I don't know. I'm on New Year's.
Bro. You might as well put all of it around your whole car. Make it the wrap. We got more people pulling up. I am going to stop recording so I can save some space. And yeah. This should look, I like the fitment because this shit like looks low as fuck because it's a low profile tire. For me? Yeah, and I got you on camera, boy. Corvette, Beamer. But yeah, more cars gonna pull up and we finna, yeah. No, he did not. He didn't say none of that shit. Shut up, JJ. You trying to start some shit if I put my dick in your neck.
Look at the cops in your car right now.
That shit sound crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit.
Too much air in there.
That looks crazy. You should've got the front though, nigga.
I know, Brian know what the fuck I was doing. Guy got this nigga weak ass wheel in the photo or video.
Yeah, I got you. That's when it comes to a stop, huh?
You have to do more and put that mic on your.
That was his car. He was recording.
I have the mic. I was scared to put on my car.
He was recording.
Who was driving your car?
Big Daddy, nigga.
When I was with Yerms,
Nigga, where? Oh, hell. I got a camera today. That nigga ass fat. Yes, nigga. But yours not OEM, so he not gonna say no.
What's not OEM?
Your hood.
It's not OEM. Okay.
No, it's not. We at the meet. We got here a little bit early to get these parking spots.
The fuck?
You're handsome, my boy. The famous 300s are right there. Front of line, you know what I'm saying? Scat, 340i, SRT, 340. Oh, that's a 540i. My bad. 340i, RT, that, and my fat ass Mexican friend. You know what I'm saying? He got the slow SS over there.
Stop recording, nigga.
Or what? Yo, what the fuck?
boy, if you don't get.
Damn, your niggas, your nose twice as big on this camera. You what you laughing at? Your goggles is fucking touching my lens. What?
You're not even worth getting them, bro.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was a vape.
It's a light up bubble. Look at. Oh shit, that's fake then.
All late as fuck. Tell them to park in front of your car and yeah. Everybody just need to park outside because there's no. Look at this shit. You know? They gonna need a bigger. Boy, there's no room. Look, cars are parking over there. Why isn't it pop?
Nigga, that ain't our car.
Stupid.
Whoever's behind this camera.
Is what? Damn, nigga, you got shit drag and shit.
It's not even
shit
good.
locks.
I was just streaming out a new ride for one day, nigga.
look. You know what's... Never mind.
I'm gonna keep it like that. That's a wide body too.
Carbon PP. Nigga Slay. Yeah, y'all. There's hella people and shit. People parking on the streets. Across the street. Looking in front of cars. I'm gonna go over there show you some cars and shit. A little bit. It's cold as fuck, so. My dream car right here. And right here. And right there, the Hellcat, all three of them. Hey, look. I want these 3 cars in my driveway by the 2025. Hey, you think
All one color.
yes, nigga, you know what I'm talking
matte
about?
black. I can fuck with matte black.
Satin black, bro. Come on.
Hello?
Hey, I don't think he's not gonna be able to park right there.
Yeah, squeeze in that bitch.
He can't.
You think I put it from the cord right there? That black one?
I don't know. Hell no.
Nah, that's low-key too close, pushing it. Can't fit there?
Hell no. Look at it.
If we push his car like that, yeah.
And you're gonna tell all of them to pull up. And look, they're fucking bumper to bumper.
They choose shitty areas to party.
Well, it's because the owner of that
Whose charger is it? Like really?
wide body Alex, that nigga over there.
I got one.
I mean, he's with us right now. Park on the curb.
Park at an angle right there. Ready?
Nah, someone's gonna hit his shit. Damn, nigga, you can't park. Why you come late, sir?
My bad. I was busy.
No.
I think I put it from that fucking Accord right there. Go try it.
I don't think so, bro. Hey, good thing you took your wrap off, nigga.
I missed my rap, man. Damn. Hey, the same thing that rap, this nigga look like rap yours.
Nah, he got dents on it. You good?
I missed my rap, bro. I ain't gonna cap it out of this way, man.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be? We're on live. Can y'all see the questions? Let me know. Okay. Raise your hand.
Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere. If you could live anywhere, where would you?
My dream place, I don't know.
In the world.
Dubai?
Anywhere in the world.
Dubai.
You're gonna be driving cars out the building like that.
Fast and the Furious. Tired. I want to go to Dubai. I'm telling you, they need a new place. I'm gonna go walk around though.
That's fucked up, man. I thought it was cool.
Bro, I want to go walk around, but everybody right here. Nigga, I got my. This is my. Whoa, let me put it right here. He's my one of my bodyguards, and he's the other one. You know what I'm saying? I pay them each 50 cents an hour right now because I don't get paid on YouTube. But when I do get big, nigga, you know what I'm saying? 15, nigga. Damn.
That's how bad it is.
If y'all niggas want to come to me, you gotta come to him first, nigga.
Fuck up.
Hey, nigga, where you from? You got caught lacking, bro. That nigga KP finally pulled out, nigga, 30 years.
My dog, bro. He pulled up when I broke down the middle of the road. We was out to what, like
I
2 in the
would
morning?
too if I was that close, though.
Nigga, you had to be able to work in an hour. You should just came anyways.
What is this? Fucking Mustang. They stupid. KP's a dick. Yeah, we don't know who drives this shit. Turn your lights off. I mean, you should have turned your lights off. Huh? I don't know.
I don't know, bro.
Me?
It's him, bro.
I drive a Chrysler over there.
It's because he's Asian, huh? Because the way everyone looked at him.
He drives it, bro. It's him, bro. Hey, chill.
Chill, bro. I didn't kick your car. No. I don't even know who car it is, though. He's going to tell you to move it.
Huh?
You already got a clue on me.
He's going to tell you.
Whoever it is, get off air and make that shit static like this.
Oh. Like whose?
He said stop being a bitch, KP.
Bro. Hey, if I own this shit, I would say, man, if you guys are steady, you can't afford bags.
Oh.
No, you see the bags, bro, man. You can't beat that look. You can't beat that look, man.
But like a proper coil is the price of that. Let's be real.
No.
Nah.
Well, I'm the one with the 2.6 cars. I'm the chaser.
I'm at the race car.
So like, no, that's what I'm saying. But what did I say? I took a picture of this. This is tough. Bagged or not?
Oh, God, okay, that's my shit.
That's it, tough, Cam.
Appreciate it, bro, but this shit's slow, though.
I beat that 300 over there.
Hey, it's a V6.
Yes.
No, it's
What Brimbos? What Brimbos? What Brimbos? What Brimbos?
We don't want to do all that. Stop the hood.
What Brimbos? Hey, I'm not gonna lie. He just got you to tell you that this is your car, now you gotta move it. Keep going. Step on it.
You better burn out.
He's gay. I would have done something.
You're in this car and it's still slow as fuck.
Bro, it's okay, bro. Your pocket's
This nigga's a hater, bro. He said Hellcat. JOT. I'm about to throw a camera in. Watch, Jay.
You thought
I'm going in.
Cam, hop in.
Huh? What kind of civic? It is like, no, those are dead. Civics are dead.
I'm gonna go buy mine back and I want to hear that.
He got a Civic? You got a
I got a
Civic?
bunch of Civics built to be the 5.7 and the 5.
Damn.
nigga beat everything. Oh, God, but don't race.
How about I beat your ass?
Stop hitting me, bitch. I know it's you.
You did it to me.
Who said DJ Hatches got upset?
Oh, you thought it was you.
Yeah.
That shit said gay shit. Hey. Honestly, that shit quick, nigga.
Hey, what?
Black 300 over there.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
My bad,
Because
bro.
I'll tell them what you got right now.
Stock car. Leaking radiator.
They just hate it, bro. Like,
Short
We-
ass nigga. I'm trying to go home.
They were ignorant, bro.
good content. Shoot the nigga now.
Yo, what? You got a new phone?
Yeah. My other one in my
Is
head.
it 13? It's 16, my bad.
16 Pro Max,
I got
bro.
a 16 too.
Gang, gang.
Good payment plan.
You look at I know you ought to shot you, nigga.
You done which one? What's in that bag?
I don't know.
Me and Jorgen. What? Chill, bro.
What's in that bag, bro?
Name and badge.
Can I get your name and badge, please?
What's in that bag? Yo, what's in the fucking bag?
Oh, chill. Who's this nigga walking up with his hands in his pocket? Sir, get down. Bah, bah.
I just came to get
Y'all
some
better go get him. Look at him leaving. Go get him.
I just came to get some home and I got trapped. Let that be a more bar.
I just came for the boba, bro.
There was a couple more bars.
That's why they started looking.
Pervert ass, mustache ass nigga. But I think it's just tight. He just said something about exhaust, nigga. We out here chilling. You don't hear shit.
These are the cars are left.
Well, then that's not our problem. Chase, they left. Exactly.
Shit, I can fit out right here.
He just called us all the niggas without even saying it.
I'll do a pull right here, man.
Oh God, I'll give you 1,000. I'll pay
Look
you
at
jail.
look at Valdez.
We can go with that one.
Who's not that?
Right there, he's trying to leave. That nigga was about to rev his shit. He was like,
There's no cops on that day.
another one pulled up? Oh my
Go
god.
over this shit.
No, not
What are they
First.
I don't know.
Nah, cause look, hey Fabian, your car's good to move. Look, You guys are fucked. He's good. You're fucked. I just don't want to leave and get pulled over, nigga, so. I don't know. I'm trying to see, but.
Where's Fabian? That nigga might as well start moving his car.
Nah, I want everybody trapped in here. Because I'm not trying to get pulled over.
Fabian!
What was the point of that?
Oh, they're going out this way. I'm leaving this way.
Yeah, tell Fabian move his car.
Where are we going? Where are we going? In and out?
You gotta move your car. Thank you, sir.
He's going to jail!
Y'all are going to jail. Period.
Oh my god, there's helicopters, nigga! What? It's not Cam. That one's Cam. Yeah, mine's not Cam. Huh?
They leaving?
I guess so, but where we gonna go? Hey, in and out. In and out. Van Buren, nigga. Hey, we're going to, I don't know where you live, but we're going to In and Out. Van Buren. Alright, nigga. Drive safe. Don't get pulled over. Hey, you coming In and Out with us? You might as well. Nigga, Van Buren, bro, just come. It's the last day of the year, nigga. Come on. You good? Ooh, the stars. Hey, we're all going to In and Out. You going? Or are you gonna go home? You gonna go home?
So who are we following?
Us right here.
Alright.
Yeah, you're next to us anyway. Excuse me, my bad. But anyway, we're gonna go to In and Out. Hopefully the cops don't pull us over, but we gonna go. Oh my gosh. Anyways, look, y'all. I'm at home now. Today's gonna be a random video. I was at In and Out. We were just eating and shit. I should have recorded, but we didn't. The other homies, they went to go race, but towards that way, towards their home. And me, I'm at home. But y'all comment, go comment, go tell me what other videos to promote. Even if you don't tell me, I'm gonna still bring out that content. You know, I'm gonna just start vlogging, doing things. You know, let's make it a good year, bro.
I got a matrix and good. Perk of 2 million in the middle of my hood. Taking no matter.